Hey folks, so today I'm gonna be doing the minor service for my Swift Dzire diesel. This is a 2015 model and is a diesel car, and this will be the ninth service, the 90,000 kilometer service. The car has run about 86,000 kilometers. Last service was done around the same time, around 75,000 k. So it has been the apt 10k. Maruti recommends 10k oil changes, and this will be the minor service, which includes engine oil change, cabin air filter change, engine oil filter change, and the engine air filter change. So 3 filters and the oil service. This service is very minor, and you can actually procure all the parts from Maruti Genuine Parts Store, and you can do it yourself inside your home or in an open ground or somewhere where you have open space. So let us jump back to what all things we're gonna use. The car is warmed up, as you can see. So if you can see, this is my wrench with this particular handle, and this one is the one without curated handle, right? This one is the funnel, and this one is a 27 bit for removing the oil filter, and this is a Torx 30. Yes, Torx 30 for opening the drain plug. This one is an empty can for collecting the oil. This one is split open, again a can, dirt cheap for collecting the oil, again used oil. So I will transfer the oil from here to there. And this is the Castrol Edge 540 3.5 liter, right? So this costed me around 3,300 or so. I got it from an authorized dealer, right? This one is an original one, and you can use any oil for 540. Magnetic as well will work. And here you can see, this is the air filter, genuine from Suzuki, right? This is the cabin filter, and this one is the oil filter. I got this for entirely for $1,000, and that's the measuring cup that I have. I have this external rod as well for applying more pressure on this rod, using this rod if needs be. And that is pretty much it that you need. Apart from that, some newspaper bits and some hand gloves, some dirty towel or something, right? So what we will do is we will start with the cabin filter, okay? And so cabin filter is located on the left side of the co-passenger seat, right? And so the cabin filter is behind this glove box, right? So the right way of opening this is just move it, and there are 2 clips here. I will just remove it. So you pull it up slowly from this side and from this side too, right? And this is now free. So you can see these are the 2 clips. One is here, another one here, and that is where it goes, right? So I will keep this one aside. So this is where the glove box go, right? And behind the glove box, if you see, this is the clip for the cabin filter, this one particularly, right? As you can see this, right? So you press from here. It's a very light and delicate one. Press from there and just remove it like this, right? This comes out, it's pretty dirty, and there you can see the cabin filter, right? This cabin filter protects the car from debris outside, PM 2.5, I don't know whether 2.5 is the right word, or maybe much more worse particles, right? So if you remove this, the entire AC system gets clogged with your dust, as in case of your household AC, right? And this is the fan housing, and that's how the air comes down, fan pulls it up, right? So the easy way to remove this is, I will show you. Grab the key, right? This is the key, and either push this in here and pull this out, because you might damage your hands while getting this out. See how smoothly it came out, and slowly and steadily. So this is the air filter, right? You can see it's pretty much mucked up here. So if you put it on the ground, it's very dirty, right? See the debris inside and everything, right? So we will let it go. We'll install the new filter. So I will clean this up a bit. It's very dusty and mucky, right? This entire assembly is very dusty. I will clean the inside a bit too, right? So never start your blower while you are cleaning or doing anything to it, right? Now this is the original Maruti genuine cabin filter, right? You can see the model number and the price as well, right? So I will open this up. So now I've opened this up. You can see this is the original MGP air filter. This is created by, I believe, MAN. I can see MAN filter logo, and this is the manufacture date. Although these filters, they are sealed, so they don't go bad so easily. And you can see the model number CU22023. So for Swift Dzire, there are multiple air filters that come in. So this is the model that you need to get for your 2015 one, right? Swift or Swift Dzire. So what I will do is, I will slide this in here slowly, right? Slide this in, and this fits there, you can see, right? And I will clean this part as well. And then just fit it back. So you can see it closes with a click sound. You can try opening it as well. It should be very it should be seated properly, basically, right? It should not come out from anywhere. So this one is done, right? A final clean, and we'll put back the glove box here. So in order to put the glove box back, you need to align these sockets with those grooves, right? I don't know if you can see it here, but if you see it here, from here, you see this alignment here, right? And now you see the alignment. I'm not sure if you can see, and this is aligned properly. Just give it a push. Yeah. So now this is aligned properly, as you can see. Just need to give it a push from here and one from there, and this is closed. Glove box is done. So one of the filters is done. Now let us move to the other one, which is the air filter. So now, in order to remove the air filter, these are the 4 screws. This one, and where is it? This one that we need to remove. The air filter is beneath this housing, right? This is the mass airflow sensor. So we will unbolt this, remove the filter, clean the housing, and then put the new filter back, right? To remove the filter, this is my household screwdriver set, right? So I will be utilizing this. So this is the household screwdriver, this one, right? So I will just unbolt these bolts. And don't worry, they don't fall off, they stick to the housing itself, so you can loosen it to the max. Right. See, I will just remove this, right? And there is the air filter. I will pull it from the housing. And you can see how much dust and muck it has. See the amount of dust here. See, this is entirely clogged, right? So on diesel vehicles, you need to ensure that your air filter remains very clean. I will put it in the bag here. This is the bag that I am using to dispose of everything. So ideally you need to clean that housing, the below housing, right? Here there is the intake, and that's how make sure that this is clean, the area under is clean. So mine is clean. If yours is mucky, you can just give it a wash or a clean, but remember to put in a dry one. So this is the original air filter, right? As you can see, the part number as well, right? Air cleaner. So I will just install this. This one is also built by Mahle. So I will remove this from the housing. See the clean one here, right? How bright and clean this is, and the older one. So the new one is seated in there, as you can see, right? I will just close this off and screw it back. Screw it back, this one as well. Right, so the air filter is changed. Let us look at the temperature of the engine so that we can drain the oil. So right now the temperature is nearly the same, right? But it has been like 20 minutes sort of, so we'll try to remove the oil filler plug. So guys, there is the drain pan, and if you can see the bolt, this is the drain bolt, right? This is a T40 instead of T30, sorry, my mistake, right? And I have this T40 Allen key, so I will be using this Allen key to unbolt this, right? So let me try first. So it won't come right away. I have to use some sort of leverage.